away to my own world. I don't wanna wait. Make it happen to me. Baby, hold me tight, with me through the night. Let's hold every time God hear us through my prayer. And I will remember love's come first. I'll show you what it costs. And I say God bless you for the haters and the lovers. Everybody come around, let the music make the sound. And God bless you, God bless you. And I say 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 God bless you. One, two, three, go. Money on my mind and I act like machine gun. I got that good on my arm like a ray gun. Baby, believe that I got this kicking, hustling every time everybody hating. I pray to God to wish you all well. Still hating on me, oh man, what the hell? I got things set it up, I don't have time to break it up. Let me tell you one thing, come and sing. I got a thing that I need to achieve. Pull on the Rubicon like a soldier. I crank that desk, look like a soldier. Don't mess with me, boy, I told ya. And God bless all of you, yeah. So please, it's time to make it better. Dan ku selalu percaya doa aku berjaya. Mungkin mereka bangga, kata-kata benci jadi candu. Sementara aku maju, satu hal ku pegang teguh. And that's remember love's come first. I'll show you what it costs. And I say God bless you for the
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside